Enjoy the sun. Understanding beach day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to talk about: beach day. Whether you're new to English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this phrase is a fun one to learn. So, grab your sunglasses and let's dive in. Beach day is a simple yet vivid phrase that consists of two words, beach and day. The word beach refers to a sandy or pebbly area by the sea or ocean, while day refers to a 24-hour period. When combined, beach day refers to spending a day at the beach, enjoying the sun, sand, and sea. You can use beach day in various contexts, both formal and informal. Here are some examples. Planning: let's plan a beach day next weekend. Inviting: would you like to join us for a beach day? Sharing experiences: we had the best beach day ever. You might use this phrase when talking to friends, family, or even in a more formal setting if discussing holiday plans or events. A beach day isn't just about sitting on the sand. There are plenty of activities you can enjoy. People often swim, sunbathe, play beach volleyball, build sandcastles, or simply relax with a good book. It's all about enjoying the outdoor experience and the beautiful seaside atmosphere. In many cultures, especially in coastal areas, beach day is a popular concept, especially during the summer. It represents a break from routine, a chance to relax, and spend quality time with friends and family. Movies, TV shows, and songs often reference beach days, highlighting its role in popular culture. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding beach day. We hope this video has brought a bit of sunshine to your English learning journey and that you feel ready to use this phrase in your conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons. Until next time, happy learning!